Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be learning about the unlisted market. Unlisted market is the marketplace where you can transact shares of companies even before they have gone public and been listed in the stock market. Now let's look at some of the best startups that have grown and established themselves in India right now, such as Oyo, Ola Cabs, Razorpay, and Bira. But if you were an active investor in the market, then you would know that these particular stocks are not available on the stock exchange, meaning that these stocks are not public. And these companies are still a private limited company. They have to go through the process of IPO, which is initial public offering, if they want to become a public and listed company. Only when they go through that IPO process, then they will be listed in the stock exchange. And then the normal people, the public, that is us, we can buy shares of this company. But until then, how do you still become a promoter of a company even if the stock hasn't gone public yet? That's where the unlisted space comes in. The unlisted market. Unlisted market is the marketplace where you can transact shares of a private limited company even before they have gone public and being listed in the stock market. In other words, it's pre-IPO phase. Let's say you're a director in a particular startup which has some amount of shares in your name. If at any point of time you want to raise some money with the number of shares you have, or if you just want to know how much valuation you have with this number of shares, where do you sell this share at? Where should you go? Again, the answer comes down to unlisted space. This is a space which is only available to 0.03% of the entire population. But with advancing technologies, these numbers are being shifted and becoming more and more accessible to the public. If you have invested into the shares of companies in its pre-IPO phase, and once that company goes public or does its IPO, then you'll have phenomenal returns. So do your research about the unlisted market and see how it's fitting into your budget or your portfolio. Hey guys, hope you found this video to be informative and useful. If you guys would like to know more or learn more about investments and stock trading, do check out the Havenspire website and download our new app on the Google Play Store.